Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on your POCO F7. So first, what you guys want to do is check the cable and the charger for any damage or compatibility with your phone. So always make sure to use the original charger, don't change it. So for example, when you get your charger that's probably 33 watts for this phone, then you will need to use it because it's actually assigned to the phone, so it works the best and you need to actually use it. Now what you guys can do is clean the charging port with a non-metallic tool. So here we have the charging port. Use either a soft brush or compressed air. I recommend using the soft brush. Now what you guys can also do is try and test another charger or an outlet one. So try changing the watts, for example, from 30 to let's say 60, and check if the fast charging works. If not, then it also might be a software glitch. So go over to settings, go to about phone, and click on Xiaomi HyperOS. As you guys can see, I'm running the latest version of the software, so I got no updates available. But if there will be an update available, then you will see a big blue button right here that will say something like download update or install update. And you guys need to do that. It's very important. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.